Today we're doing an epic stew.
Hungarian style.
Slow cooked beef with all the classic seasonings.
Ooh, a bowl full of this will warm you to the bone.
Oh, every single bite is
Goulicious.
He's been waiting just to say that all day.
I love it.
It is, I tell you, to put a bowl of this in front of you and you will not go hungry. And I've been waiting all day to say that. So I'm Chris.
And I'm Wesley.
My very hungry Loon.
Yes, Hungary.
Hungary. I love it. I love it. So we're doing goulash
Yes.
today. We're not doing the Americanized version, which is delicious too, which is basically just spaghetti and noodles and a bunch of
My
sour
mother's
cream.
what
I
you
know, my
think.
mom did, and I loved it growing up. We're doing our take. We're not Hungarian, so we're doing our take on Hungarian goulash.
goulash.
So all of you out there that say that we're doing wrong, feel free to let us know.
No, just say, hey, you might want to do this.
Yeah, but this is the way we like to do it, so
Yes.
we think it's pretty yummy.
And we're doing it with this 2 pounds of chuck roast that we've cut up into cubes, and I'm just gonna season it up to get it good and seasoned.
So chuck roast is great. It's good and marbled. It's got that connective tissue in there that's we're slow cooking it, so it's gonna really break down and get melt in your mouth. Yummy.
It is a good goulash.
It's delicious. So don't go buy a big expensive piece of meat because you don't need to. It's gonna reduce and get really wonderful. So we started the party off with some bacon. I got 4 thick slices of bacon and I just roughly cut it with my knife, and then I tossed it in my pot here. We're gonna do all of this in this pot. So if you have a nice big pot, that's perfect, or Dutch oven works really well. And then
I'm getting gooey with my meat here.
Go ahead and get gooey.
Because I'm getting all this salt and pepper all over
Good,
the
yeah,
place.
liberally salt and pepper it.
And I love to wear a glove every chance I can wear
Because
it.
it's so, really fashionable. Especially the one glove.
Yeah.
It's so Michael Jackson.
It's very.
So anyway, we're really digressing today.
Yeah.
So I continued to cook that until it got nice and crispy, and then I removed it with my spoon or a slotted spoon and put it on paper towels to drain. And here you go. Just resist eating it, which is hard to do because it's not going to go back into the pot until a little later on. Okay, but I've left my bacon grease in there because that's just delicious. Okay, all right,
I got
perfect.
it.
It's like
All
we
good.
know what we're doing.
You ready?
Okay, now we're going to put this into the pot. There we go. Vince, I love that sound. And,
Love it.
We're just going to brown this up, kind of lock in all that flavor. He's already doing
I'm so excited.
I know.
This is so good, you guys. I love it. My mother used to make it with elbow macaroni.
Oh, yeah.
But I don't even think she used paprika, though.
No, well, paprika is like Italian seasoning.
Yeah,
It was basically spaghetti, and I think there's sour cream in there too. But anyway, so we're going to cook. I was going to say, like, the temperatures are getting kind of chilly outside. This is that perfect fall. We have so many.
I'm going to have to start wearing jeans again.
I know.
I've been wearing shorts.
We've had so many people tell us, and I think I feel this way too, that fall is their favorite time to get into the kitchen and to make stews and to bake. So we got a lot of great recipes coming your way. We're going to cook this until it gets nice and brown, and then we're going to continue. Okay, so that took just a few minutes. It smells so good already. Now we got a clean
Careful,
platter
don't fling the meat.
I know. I get excited. So anyway, we cook this till
Give me
it's
some salt.
till it's well, you could eat this, but it's still very would be very pink in the middle. So anyway, we're gonna cook this until it's nice and brown, and then we're gonna remove it, as I'm taking forever to do here.
It's okay.
I know.
I would have loved my mother's goulash that had these chunks of meat.
I know. Oh, and
She'd use ground beef.
Ground beef. I know, and not that we're knocking it. I mean, I love it. It was one of my favorite things to eat. But I haven't had it probably since 1976. So it's been a while.
Since the bicentennial.
Yes. Yeah.
There's that meat, y'all. There's some meat.
Okay, I'm going to turn this down now because that's screeching hot. I got a little more meat here for you.
Yeah, there you go.
Okay. So
There's a little more over there,
Okay,
too.
now I've
On
tried.
that side.
Oh yeah. Boy, it doesn't want to
hiding
leave
one.
I know.
There
Okay.
we go.
Now what we're going to do is we don't really need all of this. So I'm going to grab it rendered quite a bit of grease, which is normal.
Wow.
But we don't need all of that. So help me here, Loon.
Yeah. What do you need me to do?
Just this bowl right here. You're going to leave a couple of tablespoons because we need to saute some vegetables. So we're going to do that. Okay, that's good.
That good?
There's good
Don't
flavor in there.
spill it.
There's good flavor in there. So now
Okay, I'll drink it.
Don't drink it. Okay, so now I've got 2 medium onions. It may seem like a lot of onions, but everything in this really cooks down, and the onions impart incredible flavor, and they just basically melt into the goulash, into the stew. So we're going to let these simmer for about just a few minutes until they get nice and soft. And we're going to keep on going. Okay, now you see those have already cooked down quite a bit, and they're nice and soft. That went about more like 4 minutes.
It's so steamy, maybe. I don't know if anybody can see it. Ooh, look at that.
I know, I've always said I wish you could smell it, folks. So that was 4 cloves of minced garlic that I put in there. It just takes a few, like 30 seconds for that to get nice and aromatic. And now we're going to start.
We're going to build it.
We're going to, this is paprika. I love smoked paprika, but paprika is probably the most classic seasoning that's used in goulash.
Or Hungarian cooking.
Hungarian, yeah. And this is a teaspoon of caraway seeds. I love cooking with caraway seeds. This is fresh oregano. You could use dried. This is a tablespoon of fresh. If you're going with dried, then go with a teaspoon. And then that is a tablespoon of tomato paste, which is just going to give this a nice flavoring. Oh, the smell. I love this. The smell of that paprika is just so good. Now we're going to put in a cup of good old robust beef stock or beef broth, whatever you have.
Good old beef stock.
I love it.
Can I do this?
Please
Can I do something?
It'd be great.
All right, we're doing a cup of white wine. Now remember, if you don't drink it, then don't use it.
Yes.
I mean, well, that's true. If it's not good for you to drink it,
then you should.
But if you don't drink wine, well, that actually cooks down.
What are you saying? I don't know what you're saying. Okay.
I didn't drink the wine.
It sounds like you did. Okay, we're going to bring this to a boil, and then we're going to add that, and it goes in the oven. Okay, so now it's come to a boil. It smells
Are we ready for
good.
this
Bring out the
meat?
And make sure you
get all the juices
into a platter. Yeah, that'll collect those juices because there's so much flavor there. Oh my gosh. Okay, so now we've got our. I know. And we're not done. I mean, we're going to be adding more, like that bacon.
When do you add salt and pepper?
I'm going to do that when we add some more ingredients in a couple hours. So a
couple of hours.
I know. This is one of those things. Give yourself an afternoon to make it. So you also need to make sure whatever pot you're using has a lid, because that's how we're going to cook this. And we got our oven preheated to 300 degrees, and it's just going to cook nice and slow for 2 hours. I think that's what I love about autumn cooking is the smell in your house.
Y'all.
Okay.
Wow.
This has been on this 300 degrees for 2 hours. I always love this part. Boy. That is a thing of beauty.
Look at that, y'all.
I know, but we're not done yet. Okay. I know, salivating. It's crazy.
Okay, let's do some green. These are red. Red bell peppers. We're gonna throw those in there.
That's 1 red bell pepper that we've seeded and we just cut into little strips.
And then here's that bacon we were talking about.
Yeah.
There we go. And now we've got 1.5 pounds of Yukon Gold potatoes.
It's more like 1.25 pounds, but.
Oh, okay.
But you're close. I mean,
a little bit of that.
And now I'm going to add a teaspoon of kosher salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper. We're going to stir this up, and it may seem a little liquidy right now, a little thin, but those potatoes will absorb a lot of that broth, and it's just. Oh my gosh.
I don't care. I like the liquid.
I know you do. I know you do. Okay, so now we are getting so close, folks. We're getting so close.
Look at that color.
I know. It's so beautiful.
That's from the paprika?
It is.
Wow.
It's that Hungarian goulash. Oh. Boy, am I hungry. Okay, so we're going to put this.
It's October, so it's goulash.
Okay, this is going to go for another hour, and then we get to eat.
Yay.
The time has come.
It's goulash time.
That is music to my ears.
Oh, yes.
Okay. I love the big reveal.
I do too.
It smells so crazy.
Y'all.
Look at that.
My.
That's what you call some goulash.
I love that's such a pretty picture right there.
It is. It's so beautiful.
That beef.
The beef is like literally
tender.
fall apart, melt.
Wow. Oh, I forgot you got little bits of bacon in there,
Oh yeah,
too.
bacon. I mean, this
Oh,
thing
you
is
guys!
chock full of yumminess. It's also screaming hot.
I know. Well, that's why we got sour cream.
I know.
So we cooked up some egg noodles that you can serve this over. Obviously, you can just serve it like that and just get us, let it cool down a bit.
Yeah. Well,
but we like to put it over some egg noodles.
oh yeah. I mean, it's just
Come on in.
coming in. I hear dogs coming
Oh
too.
yeah, they were all upstairs.
They smell meat.
Yeah.
Oh boy.
Chris.
I know. Isn't it's just.
Chris, you might need to get a ladle.
I know. I debated that. I really did. All right, is that good? You want a little more? Get here, a little more of this
yes,
beef. Look at
come
that
on.
beef. Look at that beef. It just falls
Yeah,
apart.
yeah.
Here, now let me get you some of this good.
Wow,
This
y'all.
juice. I've made this before. I've been playing with this recipe, and I've made it before where it has a little.
Hold
less.
on, just one more little
Oh,
strip of this
okay.
here.
Boy, you're hungry.
Yeah, look at that here. There you
Let
go.
me give you
I need some more meat.
Now I'm going to give you a dollop of. So I'm going to just put it right there in the
Please,
middle.
yeah. Thank you.
This is optional, but we think it adds a nice,
It adds
luxurious
a
flavor.
wonderful taste to it.
A little chopped parsley just to make it pretty.
Also, it'll cool it down like
Does
I said.
cool it down, exactly.
As you prepare, I'm just showing
Yeah.
everybody the beauty of this goulash.
Yeah.
You guys.
It is beautiful goulash. I know.
You need
I'm
to
salivating. I'm
hurry.
sorry.
No,
sorry.
I'm kidding.
I need it. I need it in my belly.
All right, let's go.
I know it's a heavy pot.
Oh, you guys.
I'll get myself just a little more juice.
Yeah, give yourself some juice.
I got some goulash juice.
Yay!
Now you could eat this with a spoon or a fork. We opted for a fork today.
Yeah, I'll probably switch to a spoon because I want to shovel it in.
I
Like
know. Let me. Oh, wow. Doesn't that
Yeah.
look great?
Oh, I need a little potato. Oh, the potatoes are perfectly done.
Yeah, yeah.
Everything's perfect.
I'm so well. We haven't tasted it yet, but
Oh,
it's
please.
look if it smells, if it tastes as good as it looks and smells, I think we're in business.
You better.
I know.
Be careful. You got to blow on that.
I'm gonna blow on it.
I got
first.
some with my sour cream on it.
Oh, that's me too. Okay, let's go in. That is comfort.
Oh, that is.
That is.
Y'all,
I mean,
those flavors. And it's.
while we were letting this cook in the oven, Wesley said, "Were we being mean about our mom's versions of goulash?" And he said, "No,
No, I
we
hope
loved
not.
them.
Yeah, because
We loved them."
I know. I didn't know any difference.
But wait till you try this. I mean,
Y'all. Oh. Oh. Wow.
and you can do it without the noodles.
You can do it without the sour cream. You can just. Oh, wow.
This meat is so. Isn't it
Yeah,
amazing
yeah,
how?
I'm sorry, guys. I'm just.
Wow. Literally melts in your mouth.
That.
Are we on a roll?
Yeah, that's 100,000% live through.
Yay! Good.
You need to. Y'all, it's October, so you've got to make goulash.
I know. It's my favorite time of the year for so many reasons, and this is one of them. You guys make this, you'll be so happy.
Oh,
To our Hungarian fans out there, we hope we didn't do anything egregiously wrong. If we did, you'll tell us. We love you so
it's
much.
good. It's so good.
Bye.
Mwah.